Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Limgas number 1 in the swimsuit competition. Limgas number 1 stands 5 feet and 4 inches, and she measures 32, 23, and 34.
Let's all welcome Limgas number 2. She stands 5'4" in height, and she measures 33 and a half, 25 and a half, and 33 and a half.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this time a big welcome for Limgas number 3. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches. Vital statistics, 34, 25 and a half, and 34 and a half.
Let's now have Limgas number 4. She's at 5 feet and 4 inches, and her vital statistics, 31, 24 and a half, 32 and a half.
This time, please welcome Limgas number 5. She stands 5 feet and 4 and a half inches, and she measures 33, 25 and a half, and 34.
Next is number 6. She stands 5'4" and a half, and she measures 33 and a half, 24, 33 and a half.
Dear friends, let's put it up for Limgas number 7. Limgas number 7 stands 5 feet and 6 inches. She measures 32, 25 and a half, and 32 and a half.
Let's now have Limgas number 8. She stands 5'6", and her vital statistics, 32, 25, 33.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lim Gas number 9. Lim Gas number 9 stands 5 feet and 5.5 inches. She measures 33, 26, and 34 and a half.
Let's now have Lim Gas number 10. Lim Gas number 10 stands 5 and a half, and she measures 34, 25, 35.
Dear friends, please welcome Lim Gas number 11. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches. And vital statistics 32, 25, 33 and a half.
Let's now have Lim Gas number 12. She stands 5'6" and measures 34 and a half, 26, 36.
Thank you so much, ladies. Let's move on to Lim Gas number 13. Gas number 13 stands 5 feet 6.5 inches, and she measures 34, 25, and 34.
Next is Lim Gas number 14. Lim Gas number 14 stands 5'6", and she measures 34, 26, 34.
Limgas number 15 stands 5 feet and 6 inches. Vital statistics 32, 25, 34.
So let's now have Limgas number 16. She stands 5'6", and she measures 34, 26, 35.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Limgas number 17. Limgas number 17 stands 5 feet and 6 inches. And she measures 35, 27, and 36.
Next is Limgas number 18. She stands 5 feet and 7 inches, and she measures 31, 26, 34.
Dear friends, please welcome Limgas number 19. She stands 5 feet and 7 inches. And she measures 32 and a half, 24 and a half, and 34.
Limgas number 20. She stands 5 feet and 7 inches, and she measures 34, 24, 34.
Please welcome Limgas number 21. Limgas number 21 stands 5 feet 8 and a half inches, and she measures 34, 24 and a half, and 34.
5 feet and 10 inches. And she measures 34, 26, 36.
And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Limgas number 23. Limgas 23 stands 6 feet flat, and she measures 37, 29, 37.